What I wish I knew at the start of 2023 was just how fast China's naval ambitions were accelerating. Satellite imagery has unveiled a groundbreaking development. China has built a prototype nuclear reactor for a large surface warship. This signals a monumental step towards their first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. Currently, only the US and France boast such technology, and China's move could shift the balance of power. Located in Sichuan Province, this reactor is part of the Dragon Mite project. Nuclear power would allow Chinese carriers to operate far from home without the constant need for refueling, drastically enhancing their reach and influence. This project underscores China's ambition to create a first-class navy, a vision strongly endorsed by President Xi Jinping. The implications are profound. An extended Chinese naval presence could spark a new arms race in the Asia-Pacific region. As China's naval capabilities grow, the world, especially the United States and its allies, will be watching closely. The race for naval dominance is on.